Okay, this is Nifty 50 index, and the recent price action has made me think, you know, differently. So, if I look at the weekly chart of Nifty 50, okay, so what I had done earlier was I had marked 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I had marked this whole wave as a wave 3. Earlier, I had done it like this, something like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, and I was expecting a wave 5 like this. This is what I had marked earlier. But now I am taking this whole wave as a third wave. And this last price action, this much, I would mark it like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So this price action, I would mark it like this. Okay. And whole wave, I will mark it like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So this would be the intermediate wave 3, and this these are the subdivisions, and this is the fourth wave correction. Now if I come to the corrective action, and I would draw a channel like this, I would start from wave 1, wave 3, wave 4, and then wave 5. Now this is the way I'm going to do it. So I have changed the analysis part. I have taken this whole wave as wave 3. I've kind of extended it: 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and then A, B, C corrections. This I would mark it like A, B, and C corrections happening at the fourth wave. And now I would say that we are in wave 5. So the upper boundary has to be breached for wave 5. So looking on a monthly basis, I would like this wave to go all the way up and touch the upper boundary: 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This is on the monthly basis: 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So this would be the third wave, then A, B, and C corrections. And now we are going to have wave 5. Now let us come to the daily chart. Now this is a price move, counter trend: 1, 2, 3. So these are corrective waves. I'm drawing a channel connecting wave A, B, and C. Now this price action had basically breached the lower channel, lower line. Okay, and once it breached it, and then again it went back. Now this should go all the way and breach this line. But in case it goes back, it goes back and breaches the main channel, then we are in for a more decline. If the price action goes back, something like this happens. If it breaches this main channel and goes down, then we are in for a big decline. This move, this move AB should go all the way up, breach the center channel, and then breach this channel. And if I see this price action, I'm drawing simple channels. Yes. So once this breaches this point, it has already breached the center. So this price action is happening within parallel lines, and this price action should breach this point at least. So I would go long on Nifty only if this price action breaches this line at least. It should breach this. This point should be breached. So I'm waiting. Let us see few more days, and I want to see this channel breached. Once it breaches this channel, then the upward trend is confirmed. But this channel has to be breached. This one, yellow one. Okay. I'm using the Dow principle, support and resistance, trend lines, simple, very simple analysis. Okay. So it should reach this yellow channel. I'm removing this. Now uh, so this is the red line. Once it breaches this line, then I can be sure that the upward trend is has started. Okay. So ABC corrective move. This is the way I've drawn the channel. 1, 3, and 4. Okay. So this is connecting 2 and 4 and 3. So yes. So if we have a move up, and if this line is breached, then we can easily say that the trend, upward trend, has started. 16,646, 600, 631 should be breached. Now let us come to the 5 minute or the 15-minute chart, and let us see what is happening. So this was the triangle, ABC 3 15-minute chart. I'll just take this. Okay, I'm using a line chart, and this was the last wave, wave 5. This was wave 3. This was wave 4, A, B, and C. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This was the last wave, and from here onwards, this is the today's price action. So, what to expect tomorrow? So, I'm expecting a correction tomorrow. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So, if I had to mark the waves, small waves, minor waves as a 15-minute chart, then 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This would be the fifth wave. And from here onwards, 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 3. This would be the third wave. First from here to here, third wave. And like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So tomorrow, what we are going to see in the morning, there should be a correction. A, B, and C. So I'm expecting this tomorrow. A, B, and C corrections. And if the trend is up, then we will again have waves like this. 1, 2, 3, like this. Okay. So let's see what happens tomorrow. There should be a correction. 1, 2, 3. Because this whole wave will be wave 1. This whole wave will be wave 1. And we'll have wave 2. Then we'll have wave 3, 4, and 5. Okay. This whole wave will be wave 1. So third wave, fourth wave, and fifth wave. The first wave is more or less over, and we should have corrections. A, B, and C corrections. The first wave corrections can go to the extent of say 61% also. No issues. We should have corrections, and then we will have a up move. Because every time you have a 5 wave move up, it has to be corrected. Every time. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Because if you see the minor waves like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, then you have a correction. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. Corrections. Every time. Every time you have a wave, there will be a correction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A, B, C. Like that. 5, 3, 5, 3 combination goes on. So let us see what happens tomorrow. So I am expecting a small decline, and then the trend will reverse. Let's see what happens tomorrow. Thank you. Take care.